Hey guys, today I will show you how to remove something from a photo without noticing it using the content aware fill in Adobe Photoshop CS6. So here, we have a photo of Taal Lake. You can choose any photo that you want to edit or remove something from it. For example, we want to remove this dude chilling over here without noticing the edits. And we will have something like this as a result. We can see in the result that we wouldn't recognize that a dude was sitting here earlier. First, we would like to choose any of the selection tools available, and in this case, I will use first the rectangular marquee tool. Select the area you want to remove little by little in order for the content aware fill to work more effective if you have many colors in the image. Hit Shift F5, select Content Aware from the drop menu, and hit OK. So as we can see, the AI tool fills the area what it analyzed or guessed to be what is behind the dude. Repeat the process until you have an image that is much more easier to clean. To clean these, we will use the clone stamp tool. Remember to hit Alt key and choose a reference point first, otherwise the tool won't work. It copies its reference point and therefore we can rebuild the edge of this wooden platform easily. The edge is done. Now, we will rebuild the wooden planks where the dude is sitting using the same process. So the wooden platform is now rebuilt. We will now go to the waters. Use the clone stamp tool first, so we can see that the colors are uneven. To fix this, we will use the healing brush tool in order to blend the colors. Don't forget to use the Alt key for reference point. We can see that this tool sort of smudges the colors in order for them to blend well. Use the clone stamp tool again first, then the healing brush to blend uneven colors. Remember to retouch neighboring areas that may be affected when editing other areas. And there we have finished preparing the wooden platform. Next, we will go to this little rock with some minor damages. Again, use the clone stamp tool, then the healing brush tool. And there we have it. We have successfully removed something from a photo without recognizing the edits. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment for suggestions. Thank you for watching.